You're counting down the seconds until you can skip the ad, right? I get it. But what if you never had to watch an ad again? What if you had a browser that actually respected your privacy? Well, Brave Browser does. And you can import your bookmarks too. Download Brave today and see what all the hype's about. It's free.
What's my favorite? That one's your favorite? Oh yeah, because it cuts so smooth. Yeah, because it's so smooth to cut. It's so nice. What?
Is it? Hold it up, happy birthday!
Wait, what the hell? Seriously?
Oh my god.
I was genuinely not expecting that. Wait, are you serious?
I don't know, go see.
You better go figure out what it opens. Where do I? Let's go outside and start beeping cars.
I think I saw it.
This is cool.
Oh, where is my hairbrush? That one. Don't fall down. Oh my gosh. So
It's that one. Try that one.
Put my hand tied up.
It's so pretty. It's such a pretty color. This is like the exact color I would have chosen.
Look in the pan.
Oh, it's cookies. Good stuff. No way.
Wonder what that could be.
No.
Psych. Model Toyota truck keys.
That's why the garage door's been locked. I'm serious.
You know what the next thing is gonna be? If you wanted, like, why is it locked? I was gonna say, just tell them that, you know, you pop one of those bombs, you know, one of those roach bombs.
Yeah, maybe there's a Corvette.
Okay, you ready for your real surprise?
The
You ready for your real surprise?
real surprise?
This is the decoy.
The real surprise?
No, it's the decoy.
Oh my God.
That was your decoy. Look at it.
What? Oh my God.
You don't have any clothes on.
Freaking Bentley. Babe. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, take a picture of it. The phone fell down. Are you really?
This is yours. She said ours. I know.
This is my favorite
You have more
car
money
ever.
than you.
You know, this is like my head turning car for like.
You got more money in a car than me. Keep videoing.
Do you know what's going on, baby? No, you don't know either.
He doesn't know what's going on.
Okay.
Put this on you. Thank you. Angling the camera so that the Ace family can see.
What is going on?
in the future when we're looking back at our videos. Just walk and then stand right over here.
What is this? Can I open this?
No. Just stay there and just look this way. Just look this way. Okay. Right, hold on. Don't take it off. Don't take it off. Just keep calm, keep still. Do not take it off until I say you take it off, okay?
Oh my god, is it getting close to me? Don't hit me. What is it? It's quiet though.
All right, don't take it off. Just
not a
keep
loud
it.
car.
Just keep it on. Just keep it on.
It's for sure not a loud car. I might turn it off.
How do you know it's a car?
Cause I hear the engine, baby.
Oh my god, I'm trying to open it.
Where is it?
Wait, why can't I open it? Oh. Wait, don't move. Just stay still.
I want to feel it though. Let me feel it first.
Okay. Oh my god. No.
Let me feel it. Let me feel it.
Can you see? You're
I can't
looking.
see.
Okay.
I swear on everything I love, I
Okay.
wouldn't.
All
Come
right.
on, I would let you know.
All right, you ready?
Just let me feel it first.
No. You ready?
Yes.
All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Oh my god.